Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now, one thing that all of us love are airdrops, and today I'm going to show you a protocol that I think is a little underrated. People aren't really talking about it and probably may have an airdrop. So I think this is something that I think you guys will enjoy. This is a wonderful application. It's called Loch. It is this all-in-one intelligence personalized crypto portfolio application. It's free to use, and all you need is a referral code to get started with it, which I'll leave in the description below. If by the time you're watching this, all of the codes are if they've run out or people have used them, just send me a DM on Twitter. I'll get you started and hooked up. So anyway, what actually is it? Like I mentioned, it is this all-in-one intelligence application. You can search for any wallet or address, and you can find out tons of data about that particular wallet. Things like, the assets that they hold, how much they're in profit. So you can track any of your favorite wallets. So I'm tracking Vitalik.eth right now. So Vitalik's wallet, I can see exactly like how much he's made, how much of his portfolio is allocated with different assets, the average cost price, tons of data actually, which is really nice to see. You can see outflows, inflows. You can see how much they've paid in gas, the NFTs that they hold. You can even see some of the yield opportunities. So for example, if you put your own wallets in, you can see information regarding some of the assets that you hold within your wallet and some of the places where you can utilize these assets to earn yield. So you can see Vitalik could potentially go to Lido or Rocket Pool or MakerDAO to earn yield on some of the assets that he has in his portfolio. One of the interesting things that I also like is the insights that Loch actually provides. So things like reducing risk with some of the lending markets that you're on, or reducing the market cap risk. So I think some of these insights are really, really good, and you can use them yourself with your own wallet as well. You can actually create a list and follow all of these accounts so that you can easily access them. So you can see that I've added a couple already, and probably over time will continue to do so. And of course, there is a leaderboard, and this is essentially a bunch of on-chain wallets that have been actually labeled with name tags that you can track, see their net worth, see which assets they're buying, and you can follow them as well. So Loch is a really, really cool app for this. Now, they do actually have a point system at the moment, and so you can get points for doing interesting things. Like you can see I've done a lot of them already, adding an ENS and following them and all of these things, but you can actually get points for referring other people. So I will leave you some of the referral codes that I have, and you can basically play around with it, have fun. I have been in chat with the founder. It is a really, really interesting application. No, this is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that whatsoever. I'm just making this video because I like the application and I think it's pretty cool. And I think you probably will get some value from it if there is an airdrop, of course. We all know that points often mean prizes. Go and follow them on Twitter if you want to learn about kind of how you can actually use Loch for different things. They do often write threads talking about smart money, talking about different strategies, and kind of whale tracking as well. So yeah, go and give it a watch. Like I said, just a short video that I just wanted to make covering Loch today. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back with plenty more content in the near future.